One day, while working in my OPD, I received a phone call from a gynecologist whose mother lived in Indore. This lady doctor asked me, Doctor, do I need to bring my mother to you to understand whether she is suffering from osteoarthritis or she needs to visit a doctor or whether she needs a surgery? And she requested me, can you devise a scale by means of which a patient sitting at the comfort of their home finds out if their knee pain is serious, whether they need to visit a doctor for their checkup and whether they need to undergo knee replacement surgery. So after this, for next few years, I performed a study at Nagpur wherein we formed a questionnaire by means of which, sitting at the comforts of your home, our patients who are suffering from knee pain can find out whether their knee pain is serious, whether they need to visit a doctor and whether they need to visit a doctor urgently or they can plan a visit to a doctor. This questionnaire was published in Indian Journal of Orthopedics and is peer reviewed and it is statistically evaluated and validated. Thank you.